Okay, let me give you a quick idea how this filter works. Top comes off, and inside here we have 4 handles. Attached to the handles are the sponges. I pull up on this handle here, stops the water from going into the pond and directs it into this overflow tube. Waters my garden and my turtle. Then to clean the sponges, you just pull up on these handles and all the dirty water comes out into the overflow tube. Just wanted to include some quick pictures of what it's like in the Northeast when the pond freezes over and there's snow around it, what it looks like. Some people don't get to see this if you live in the South. In this picture here, you see that the pond is completely frozen over, except for the place where I have aeration to keep an opening in the pond to let the gases escape. You can see the 2 openings there and the fish surviving under the ice.